Looking for the perfect Xbox headset but don't know where to start? Let's break down the top 5 Xbox headset for beginners that deliver exceptional value for new gamers. Throughout this video, you'll discover what makes each headset stand out and which one might be perfect for your setup. Check out the links in the description for current prices and detailed specifications. Starting with number 5, let's examine the NUBWO G06 gaming headset. This versatile headset brings dual connectivity to your gaming experience. It features both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth options, making it compatible with multiple gaming platforms. The 50mm speakers produce clear, detailed audio that helps you pick up crucial in-game sounds. What sets this headset apart is its impressive 48-hour battery life, perfect for extended gaming sessions. Features worth noting: dual connectivity options, comfortable, adjustable design, 50mm premium drivers, 48-hour battery capacity, compatible with PS5, Xbox, and PC. Moving up to number 4, we have the Fifine H9W USB gaming headset. This wired powerhouse brings professional-grade audio to your gaming setup. The braided cable includes an anti-interference magnetic ring, ensuring consistent audio quality during intense gaming moments. The built-in volume controls let you adjust settings without interrupting your gameplay. One standout feature is its detachable microphone, giving you the flexibility to use it as regular headphones. Key features to consider: 7.1 surround sound capability, multi-platform compatibility, high-quality braided cable, inline audio controls, detachable microphone system. Let's step up to number 3 with the EKSA E5000BT gaming headset. This model revolutionizes wireless gaming with its tri-mode connectivity. The 2.4 GHz connection delivers an impressive 30 ms low-latency performance, crucial for competitive gaming. It includes EKSA's VoicePure ENC technology, eliminating up to 99.8% of background noise during communication. The 50mm drivers with synthetic fiber diaphragm create an immersive soundstage that brings your games to life. Standout features include tri-mode wireless connectivity, advanced noise cancellation, customizable RGB lighting, 100-hour battery life, 7.1 virtual surround sound. Taking the second spot is the Edifier W830 NBY wireless headphones. This premium headset combines style with substance, featuring a titanium-coated composite diaphragm that delivers exceptional audio clarity. The hybrid active noise cancellation system provides up to 45 dB of noise reduction, letting you focus entirely on your game. The dual device connection capability allows seamless switching between your gaming setup and mobile device. Essential features: high residential audio certification, advanced noise cancellation, 94-hour battery life, dual device connectivity, premium build quality. And now for our top pick, the UGGreen Max 5C wireless headphones. This headset earns its number 1 position by offering an unmatched combination of features and performance. The 43 dB hybrid active noise cancellation system adapts to your environment, while the high residential certification ensures studio-quality audio reproduction. The ultra-low latency gaming mode delivers a responsive 0.06s delay, perfect for competitive gaming. The 40mm oversized drivers create a rich, detailed soundstage that enhances every gaming moment. Premium features that make it our top choice: adaptive noise cancellation, high residential LDAC audio support, 75-hour battery life, spatial audio capability, 8 customizable EQ modes. Conclusion: these headsets represent the best options for Xbox gamers starting their journey. Consider your specific needs, whether it's battery life, sound quality, or comfort when making your choice. Each option delivers excellent value at its price point. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product insights. See you in the next one.